When you create something, for example an article, a book, or an image, you automatically get the copyright to the work. You have the moral rights, which means that you must be credited as the creator and that your work must not be used in a prejudicial way. You also have the economic rights, which means that you have the right to decide how your work is used and distributed and, if you want, to charge for this. In traditional scholarly publishing, you usually sign over the economic rights to a publisher. In open access publishing, you as the creator usually retain full copyright. But how will others know how they can use your open access work? To make it clear to others what they can do with your work without asking for your permission, you can use a Creative Commons license. The Creative Commons licensing system was created to precisely show how openly available material can be used. The licenses build on copyright and do not affect your moral rights. A Creative Commons license consists of 3 layers: the detailed license text, the code that makes the license machine readable, and the icon that summarizes the license and makes it easier for users to understand. Creative Commons licenses are built using 4 different elements, which can be combined to create 6 different licenses. The by element is included in all licenses and indicates that the user of your work must give you credit, that is, state that you are the creator of the work. If you want others to be able to share, adapt, and build on your work, you can choose a so-called CC BY license. Anyone who makes changes, such as translating the work, must indicate this. If you want new works based on your work to be shared under the same license, you can choose a license that includes the element SA, share alike. If you don't want your work to be used for commercial purposes, you can choose a license that includes the element NC, non-commercial. If you want your work to only be distributed in an unadapted form, you can choose a license that includes the element ND, no derivatives. You can also combine the different elements into the 2 licenses BY, NC, SA, and BY, NC, ND. In scholarly publishing, the CC BY license is most commonly used because it is the license that offers the most extensive potential for reuse. It's also the license that many research funders want to see on their publications from projects they fund. In this video, you have been introduced to the Creative Commons licenses. Now you're ready to explore how you can use the licenses in your everyday life.